Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another Cars with Subscribers video. We are at MCM once again. And it's actually the same day as the front splitter install. But now I'm doing the side skirts. They're already down there. One side I already put on, so I know what to do. And I'll show you right now how I did it. So first thing you do, you use some brake cleaner or another degreaser, and you just wipe the bottom of the side skirt. Wipe it good until it's clean, to put on the adhesive. So I'm using this. It's the same I used for my spoiler. So I'm gonna put that on. Then after I put that on, you can just use the bolts that come with the side skirt and bolt it on. So I'll show you right now. So I just took off the plastic. Now make sure this arrow is pointed to the front of the car. Then you can put it on the ground, and then you can put on the adhesive. I'll show you how I did it. So as you can see, the adhesive is on right now. I just keep it on the inner edge a little more, because on the other side it pushed out a little bit. You have to clean it again. So what I'm doing, I'm keeping the adhesive a little bit to the inner side of the car, and then I put the bolts a little bit more outward. So here's the adhesive, here's the bolt, so it should stick on pretty good. Now you just get that, you put it on here. I use this to keep it laying straight. Push it on here in the front, keep it even with this, and then drill the first bolt, and then drill the bolt on the back, but I'll show you. So what I did right now, as you can see, I drilled a hole here, put a little bolt in it, not all the way in. Then I went to the back, I sticked it on, put a bolt in there, went back to the front, and I saw it wasn't aligned good, so I took that one out. Then first I drilled another one, a little bit in, took that out, moved this a little bit, and then drilled this in. Make sure the last bit you do by hand, so drill it with a drill till you have like 5 millimeters left, then do it by hand. After that I did one in the middle. I pushed it inward a little bit, screwed it in, because as you can see, I have it a little bit like under the side skirt. So the part where the side skirt comes down is under this one, and I wanted the same on the whole length of the car. So I had to push it in the middle a little bit and drill it. Now just drill 10 on this side, because there's 20 screws. So 10 this side, 10 the other side,